Good afternoon, my dear students. How are you all? Hope everyone is doing great, and I hope everyone is fit and fine over there. Alright, do you remember what did we learn in our previous class? Well, if you remember, we had discussed on the exercises of living and non-living things in our previous class of grade 3. I hope everyone you remember, and we have also made a note on exercises of living things and their characteristics. Yes? Alright, then today what we are going to learn is we are going to discuss on the topic related to health education today, that is personal hygiene. The topic that we are going to learn today is personal hygiene. Okay? Now, at first, moving on to our topic, let's discuss on some of the words that I have written on the board. Okay, dear students, at first, let's discuss on the words that I have written on the board. That the first word is personal. What is personal? Personal means the thing that belongs to ourselves, the thing that belongs to our own, okay? That is personal. Not, it doesn't belong to anyone, any of the others, but it belongs to our own, that is personal. Similarly, the second word is hygiene. What is hygiene? That discuss on our health. The science that discuss related to our health is called hygiene. The study of our health is hygiene, okay? Then scalp, S-C-A-L-P, scalp is the third word that I have written there. What is the meaning of scalp? Well, the part of our head that is covered with our hair is scalp, okay? The part of our head that is covered with our hair is scalp. Similarly, the next word here is trim. What is trim? To cut. Trim means to maintain, to cut is trim. Alright. Similarly, the last word I have written here is germs. G-E-R-M-S, germs. What do you mean by germs? Do you have any idea? Okay, germs are those organisms that cause disease. The animals or the organisms that cause disease are called germs. Okay, if you are clear with these words, then it will be easier for you to understand the lesson well. Okay, now moving on to our chapter. At first, let's check ourselves, okay? Let's check ourselves at first. Well, while checking, let's start from the top. At the top, it comes your hair. Have you taken bath? When have you taken bath? Well, have you combed your hair or not? Is your hair properly managed? I hope you have managed your hair well. Similarly, let's come to our face. Did you wash your face this morning? Did you brush your teeth, everyone? Maybe you have already brushed once, right? Similarly, when did you take bath? And what sort of clothes are you wearing? Check out your clothes once. Are they clean or dirty? Obviously, they must not be dirty, okay? All of you may be wearing very clean clothes, isn't it? Now, let's come to our nails. Check your nails. Have you trimmed them or not? If they are long, please trim them, okay? Our nails must be trimmed. Then, what about your hands and legs? Have you washed them? Are you washing them frequently? When you go out to play and before entering into your room, do you wash your hands and legs or not? Well, all of you are very good, I know that. So, I believe all of you wash your legs and feet before you enter into your room after playing. Okay, now we will go into the topic. Okay, our topic itself says personal hygiene. Personal belonging to ourselves, and hygiene, the study of our health, is hygiene. Okay, what is hygiene? Let me tell you again. The study, the science of health is called hygiene. And what is personal hygiene? All the activities that we do to maintain good health is called hygiene. All the activities that we do to maintain good health is called hygiene. What is good health then? Good health means mentally and physically fit health. The person who are physically and mentally fit are called healthy persons. Okay, so every one of us, we obviously wish to be a healthy person, isn't it? And to be healthy person, we need to maintain our personal hygiene. We must try to lead a healthy life, and healthy life can be led if we maintain personal hygiene. Well then, why should we maintain personal hygiene? If we maintain personal hygiene, then we can lead a healthy life. We will be safe from various diseases. The diseases or germs, they cannot catch us. Okay, so that we need to maintain personal hygiene. Okay, now how can we maintain personal hygiene? What should we do to maintain personal hygiene? It's very simple. We have been following, we have been doing the things, but let's discuss point wise. Okay, first one is we take bath, isn't it? To maintain personal hygiene, we should take bath regularly. If we take bath regularly, then the germs will be away. We will have a healthy life. We won't suffer from diseases. We look smart. We look good. So we should take bath regularly. What are the things that you use while bathing? Okay, let me show you. To take bath, we use soap. Yes, we use soap, and we should clean our every organs with clean water and soap. Also, we do also have hair. What do you wash your hair with? Do you use shampoo? Yes, we need to wash hair also regularly with clean water and shampoo. So, the first thing is we need to take bath regularly with soap, shampoo and clean water, so that the germs will be away. Okay. Then next is, the second point is we need to comb our hair. We need to maintain our hair well. What do you use to comb your hair? Do you use comb to comb your hair? Can you see this? This is the comb, yes, and we use comb to comb our hair. While combing our hair, we need to use oil. We need to maintain our hair well, and we look smart as well. If our hair is maintained well, we look smart as well. In the hair also many germs may be there, so that if we wash our hair regularly, if we take bath regularly, then the germs, they will be away and we will be safe from various diseases as well. Similarly, early in the morning after you wake up, what do? Do you wash your face? Do you brush your teeth? Yes, every one of us, we do that, right? At least in a single day, we need to brush our teeth twice a day, okay? 2 times a day. We need to brush our teeth twice a day. Then what do you use to brush your teeth? Do you use toothbrush and toothpaste to brush your teeth? Yeah, we do. So, toothbrush and toothpaste are used to brush our teeth, and while using the brush, it should be used in proper way. The brush that we use must be soft. Daily, if we brush our teeth twice a day, then the germs that sits inside our teeth, they will be away, okay? And it also helps to keep our gums and teeth healthy. Brushing the teeth twice a day, brushing the teeth regularly helps to keep our gums and teeth healthy. Also, to keep our teeth healthy, we also need to consume raw vegetables like carrot, cucumber, radish, etc. Okay? So, we discussed three ways to maintain personal hygiene till now. First one, we need to bath regularly. Second, we need to comb our hair, that is, we need to maintain our hair. Third, we need to brush our teeth twice a day. Now, the fourth point that we are going to learn is we need to trim our nails, and we use nail cutter to trim our nails. What is this? What am I showing to you? This is the nail cutter, and we should use nail cutter to trim our nails. But we should not use blades or knives or any other sharp instruments to trim our nails. Instead, nail cutter must be used. And our nails must be shortened, okay? Our nails must be short, because if they are long, then the germs may enter inside our nails, and when we eat meal, when we try to have meal with the same hand, then the germs may enter our body and we may suffer from diseases. We may have infection. So that our nails also must be short and must be timely trimmed. Okay? Now moving on to the fifth point, that is we need to wear clean clothes, and we need to wash the clothes that are dirty. Every one of us, when we see the people wearing dirty clothes, we feel, oh, what a dirty clothes he is wearing. Don't we feel? But if someone is wearing very clean clothes, then we even feel how smart is he or she. How smart is my friend? Do we feel or not? Yes. So, to look smart also, wearing clean clothes is the must. And if the clothes are washed, if the dirty clothes are washed, then they must be dried up in sun, because the heat of the sun, it kills germs. Okay? See the term germs, is it being repeated time and again? Yes, that's why I had kept the word in new words. And what was the meaning of germs? Do you remember? The organisms or animals that cause disease is germs. Okay? So, I was talking about wearing clean clothes. We must wear clean clothes. If our clothes are dirty, we must wash them and dry up in heat of the sun. Also, we must also change our undergarments and our socks regularly. Those clothes must be changed regularly. Undergarments and our socks must be washed, must be changed regularly. Okay? Then, next one. We need to clean our eyes, ears and nose. But how can we clean them? Well, to clean our eyes, we need to use cold water. We need to splash cold water on our eyes. And we should not rub our eyes. While crying, do you have the habit of rubbing your eyes? We should never rub our eyes, okay? Similarly, ears. How do we clean our ear? We should never use sharp instruments to clean our ears, okay? Instead, can you see this? What is this? Buds, okay? These are called buds, earbuds, B-U-D-S, buds. So, if we use earbuds to clean our ear, then that's very good. We should always use earbuds to clean our ears, but we should never insert any type of sharp instruments, sharp objects inside our ears, nose, etc. Okay, we should always use soft cotton buds to clean our ears. What about nose then? What do you clean your nose? What do you clean your nose with? We should use soft cotton cloths to clean our nose, or we can also use tissue papers to clean our nose. Soft, but it must be soft. Alright. So, since we also know that eyes, ears, nose, they are also very sensitive organs, they are our sense organs. So, they should be taken care very properly. We should never use sharp objects to clean our ears, eyes, nose. Okay. Then next is washing hands. Do you wash your hands? When do you wash your hands? Alright, we need to wash our hands before and after meal. Before taking meal and after taking meal as well. Also, we also need to wash our hands after the use of toilets also. Why should we wash our hands before taking meal? Because our hands, we keep on working with our hands, isn't it? And our hands may be dirty also. Many germs may be there also. They cannot be seen with our eyes. So, since we cannot see them, many germs may be playing in our hands also. So, before taking meal also, we need to wash our hands. Also, after having meal also, we need to wash our hands. And after the use of toilets also, we need to wash our hands. Okay. Now, nowadays, what we are using the most? Can you tell me? What we are using the most these days? Are we using mask? Do you use mask or not? Yes, we do. And mask must be used to cover our nose and mouth while walking in crowded place, because it helps the germs to enter our body organs. Okay. Similarly, after walking for some time and after using some things also, these days we use hand sanitizer. Yes or no? Yes, we do use, yes. So, hand sanitizer, mask are the things that we are using very often these days. Am I correct? Yes. Okay, now let me go for short revision. Okay, how can we maintain our personal hygiene? The first point we discussed on the use of soap, clean water and shampoo to take bath regularly. We need to take bath regularly. Then second, we went for combing our hair, and comb is used to comb our hair. Similarly, we went through brushing the teeth, brushing our teeth, and for brushing the teeth, toothbrush and toothpaste are used. It also helps to keep our teeth and gums healthy. Similarly, we went for trimming our nails, and we use nail cutter to trim our nails. Nail cutter is used to trim our nails. The next thing we went for, we need to wear clean clothes. Clean clothes also develops our personality, also helps us to look smart. And next we went for cleaning our eyes, ears and nose. So while cleaning the eyes, we use clean cold water, and ears can be cleaned with the help of earbuds. Similarly, to clean our nose, we can use soft handkerchief or soft tissue papers as well. And finally, we went for washing our hands. To wash our hands, we use soap and water obviously. But at what time we need to wash our hands? Before and after taking meal, and also after the use of toilets also. And finally, we went to the use of mask and sanitizer. That also prevents us from various germs. Yes? Okay, now dear children, let's move on the discussion of some of the pictures. Okay? I have got some pictures for you. Let's discuss on them. What can you see in this picture? What is shown there? Can you see a baby bathing there? Yes. In the first picture, a small baby is bathing. Yes. And in the next picture also, the baby is bathing. Both of them, they look very smiley. They have a smile on their face, right? Do you have the habit of crying while bathing? If you have also, you need to leave it, okay? Because bathing regularly helps to maintain our personal hygiene. Then, similarly, next picture, can you see there? What did you see in the picture? A mother is helping a baby to cut the nails. And in the next picture, a girl is biting her nails. She is biting her nails. Is it good habit? No, it's not good habit. Do you have the habit of biting the nails? I know you don't have, because all of you are very good, right? So then this picture, the first picture shows trimming the nails, and the second picture, it is shown the girl is biting the nails, but we should not bite our nails. Instead, we should trim the nails with the help of nail cutter. Okay. Then next picture, what can you see there? Can you see the ways of cleaning eyes, ears and nose there? They have also used clean water to clean the eyes. Similarly, cotton bud to clean the ears and clean handkerchief to clean the nose. While sneezing and coughing also, we need to cover our nose and mouth. Okay, because through sneeze and cough also the germs may spread. Then finally, in the last picture, what can you see there? A girl is washing her hands, right? After the use of toilet, she is washing her hands. And while using the toilet also, we need to use covered latrine. Okay, we need to use covered latrine, and we need to flush the toilet after use also. Okay, so we discussed on the ways of maintaining personal hygiene in today's class. Okay, everyone, wear mask and sanitize your hands frequently. Take care and stay safe. Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you.